This is Mommy Oni, your single mom. Intro, pasok!
Good afternoon everyone, we are the group 4.
We are here to explain medical equipment for HIV.
What is the meaning of HIV? The meaning of HIV is human infection viruses. How to prevent HIV?
Number 1. Practice safe sex. Use condoms correctly and consistently during vaginal, anal, and oral sex.
Example, cis or gay. Number 2, get tested. Regularly get tested for HIV and other sexual transmitted infection. STIs.
Number 3. Know your partner's status. Discuss HIV testing and status with your partner.
Number 4, use clean needles and avoid sharing needles or syringe for injecting drugs.
Pre-exposure to prophylaxis or PrEP. Consider taking PrEP medication if you're high at risk of HIV exposure.
Post-exposure prophylaxis or PEP. If you have been exposed to HIV, seek medical attention within 72 hours for PrEP treatment.
Avoid sharing personal items. Don't share personal items like razors or toothbrush that may have blood on them.
What are the treatment for HIV-1 and AIDS?
HIV-1 has been prevented and controlled with ART.
ART still works, but the drug regimen must be adjusted. Since HIV-2 resistant to certain classes.
What do we do about medical equipment for HIV? Medical equipment used for people with HIV. HIV doesn't need a special equipment, but people with HIV may use. Number 1. Blood test machines. To check viral load or how much HIV is in the blood. And CD4 cell count. Number 2. Medication organizers. To keep track of daily antiretroviral or ARV medicines. Number 3. Wear regular health monitoring devices like blood pressure cuffs, thermometers, and etc.
And that's how to prevent medical equipment for HIV.
And that's all. Thank you for listening.